I am an installer. I just went to my customer because my customer wanted to smartify his house. And of course, the customer wants to have Shelly. First thing you need to do before getting started with the installation is to ask your customer a couple of questions. First of all, so this is a document I've made to help you as a professional installer. You need some information from the customer. You need, first of all, to ask about the Wi-Fi credentials for the customer's Wi-Fi. If the customer has a Wi-Fi, of course, if the customer doesn't have a Wi-Fi yet, you can sell him a complete solution. But if the customer already have some Wi-Fi, some 2.4 gigahertz wireless Wi-Fi, you should ask for the Wi-Fi credentials. So I already added in this document here my Wi-Fi credentials, which I'm going to use. So my Wi-Fi name is Shelly_IoT, and my password for the Wi-Fi is Shelly. As an installer, you can also add here your company name, your address, your email and phone, and you can also add your installer code. I will come back in another video with the installer code to show how you get one and what it can be used for. But overall, with the installer code, the customer can always add the installer code to his app, meaning that you will get access, remote access to the customer's app. I didn't talk about the login credentials yet. So there are different approaches to this, but now I'm going to tell you how I would do it. So I have created 5-6 different demo accounts: Dennis Demo 01, Dennis Demo 02, and so on. These email addresses is some email addresses that I'm using when creating a new customer installation. And I recommend you to do the same, because then you don't have to ask the customer to create a Shelly account, to ask for his login credentials and so on. You can do it for him. And when you have done and finalized the installation, then you can change the email address to the customer's email address, meaning that you will basically move the ownership from your account, from your email address to your customer. And when you have done that, then you are ready to go, and you can reuse your email address for another customer installation. So this is why I started to add my own email address here to this document. And when I'm going to move my account to my customer in the end, when I finalized adding all devices, making all programming and so on, then I will change the email here and the password here, and I can print this document or I can send it by email to the customer. And then I've also added some QR codes here. So basically the customer will get all information he will need here to get started with his new smart home installation. He has the QR codes for downloading the app for iOS, for iPhone and for Android. And also I've created a short getting started video, so showing him how to navigate inside the app, how to make simple automations himself. And also we added the QR code for the Facebook community. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to the community, join it, learn more about Shelly. Or of course, you can find your information as a partner, Shelly partner, and give you a ring or send you an email if he has questions. So this is why we made this document, and we will use it during our setup, because then we always remember the Wi-Fi credentials and so on. I've got the information from the customer now about the Wi-Fi credentials, and I have also added the email address and the password that I'm going to use now to create the Shelly account.